Okay, good evening folks. It is 21:46 on the 9th of March 2010. Just take a quick run through what happened today and anything that I'm looking for tomorrow. We're starting as Aussie dollar. Still waiting for us to complete the 9 count, sorry. And looks like we're approaching this 92.38 level now. So we could possibly have some selling opportunities coming up here. Looks like we're going to make another bullish thrust here. Interestingly, I did say that we had some minor support here at 90.55. This is actually the exact low today was 90.55, so that was quite interesting. This was Friday's close above this level, and that seems to have held the market. There wasn't any signals there anyway, but you can see how it just bounced right off the level I was looking at. So just out of interest there. But anyway, we'll complete the 9 count on the Thursday, and we'll hit this resistance area. So we should have some opportunities coming up on that front. Let's see, we're on the third bar of a 4-hour setup, so if we can start to get up to the 8th, 9th bar in the 4-hour setup and hit into this resistance, then we should get a few chances. On to the euro pound. So we got the signal today to go long. I think it's currently it's not looking too bad. I mean, it's not really moved just that much since I entered. Obviously, someone was asking again. Richard was asking why I didn't post it on the Skype group on the Mark group on Skype. So I said I would explain on the video tonight. So basically, we had this level marked out before, 90.46. We came down, touched it, and made the thrust bar. So basically, that's what gave us the entry. So on the close of that bar, we went long. I placed the other pending orders here, but they were never triggered, so I just cancelled them. We're not at break even yet. I thought the TDST level was just a bit close really to be used, so yeah, I didn't use it, but we are using the 15-minute TDST, so I want to see us hit this level before I move it to break even. Interestingly as well on this one, this was actually a TDST support level as well that we hit today, so that was interesting. So yeah, we'll hopefully get that to break even tomorrow. I'm going to leave this overnight. If it comes down and takes me out, then so be it, but I need to wait till we get up to this level, I feel, before it's sort of safe to take it to break even, because we could still dip down around here, test this level again and head higher tomorrow morning. So I'll just leave that one as it is. Nothing doing on the euro yen. We're basically right around these levels I had marked out. I was looking to trade a bounce from this level, but nothing really came. We dived right below them all, so I didn't take any signal. Possibly the 121.76, the second level that I had marked there, could have been a level to look at, but again, if you'd have taken that, you'd have been stopped. So I was glad I just stayed away from this. I just didn't really like the look of it early on. Euro US dollar, it's just basically a day of nothing again, just doing absolutely nothing. So pound Swiss franc's obviously the opposite of what we did on the euro pound. So again, same thing, Richard, we had this 1.6164 level marked out. So we waited for that level to be tested. You can see we had a count here earlier, which obviously we leave because we wanted it to test this level. Came up, touched the level, made the thrust bar, and we went short. Again, we didn't cover the thrust bar, so I couldn't get many more entries, so I only got one position in. And again, the 5-minute TDST support was too close. As you see, we came back up to my price after it, so I'm waiting for the 15-minute TDST support level to be hit before I move this to break even. So again, I'll leave this one overnight. And yeah, so hopefully we may start to go lower from here. Pound yen, again, this is where I was looking to buy a bounce, but we just crashed straight through it, so I decided to cancel that one. Again, similar to the euro yen, possibly the lower level, 133.87 could have been a level to buy. 133.90 is where we made the low. But again, I'm not too bothered about getting involved on this one. Just change this. You can see here, even the low that we made today, there was no signals really there. There was a second thrust bar after you'd have been stopped from the first one, but I wasn't going to spend all day trying to go long here. I'd rather have seen a nice reaction from the original level that I had marked out here, so decided to leave that alone as well. Yeah, so basically not really much of a view going on here at the moment. Pound dollar as well. You can see all these pairs have basically tested these support levels, but most of them are still going to make bearish thrust bars. So, you know, it's not exactly sort of textbook bounce material, if you could say it's that. So US dollar CAD, I got stopped on this today. I mean, it's come higher since then. Not by a great deal, but it was worth trying to buy the bounce here. So we got 2 more days to complete the buy setup. So it's interesting, this will be a buy setup and the Aussie dollar, US dollar will be a sell setup on the same day. That's an interesting development. So yeah, so we did hit the level, we made a thrust bar, so I actually caught this later on, took a buy setup and took another one as well. I lost 28 pips altogether, which is no big deal, and then we took a dive lower, and we have since obviously pushed back above. So it looks like we are going to maybe close above this level, but it's not exactly looking very bullish, so nothing really lost there at all. So I'm kind of looking for a removal of this level now and then a move higher, followed by an eventual failure to move lower overall. So yeah, we'll see if that pans out. US dollar Swiss franc, just a nothing day, and same with the dollar yen, really just nothing. It's going to make a bearish thrust, but nothing really doing. So that's about it. We'll just hold these positions that we've got here, euro pound and pound Swiss franc, and we'll see how it looks in the morning. Okay, cheers guys.